This guide will walk you through customizing your AI agents in Sferal. From signing in to setting agent details and prompts, you will learn how to efficiently manage your AI agents. Optimize your workspace for seamless interactions and sourced answers with this comprehensive guide. The first step is to sign in to your Sferal.ai account. Input your registered email and password and click the Sign In button. The login will automatically open your Sferal.ai instance. In your Sferal.ai instance, you can access the dashboard, agents, and automation functionalities from the header, as well as the account settings by clicking on the button displaying the username. Additionally, on the left section, the functionalities are categorized as a menu. To proceed with customizing your agent, you must access the agent that you want to edit. Access your created agents from the left menu of the platform under My Workspace category, then select the Agents button. Select the name of the agent which you want to edit. This step will open the selected agent. To proceed with the first customization options, you can start by changing the name of your already created AI agent. For this step, you can select the Edit button from the header. In the Edit Agent box, you can input your preferred name change. Always make sure to save the changes made by clicking the Save button. To create a new agent, click the Create button, then follow the steps described in the Create Your AI Agent training. If you want to cancel the action, please select the Cancel button. If you want to delete the selected agent, click on the Delete button. To confirm deleting the selected agent, click Delete. If you want to cancel the action, select the Cancel button. To customize the sources of your agent, access the Sources section on the left. The sources are essential to an AI agent because they determine its knowledge base, biases, capabilities, and overall performance quality, directly influencing the accuracy, fairness, and usefulness of its outputs. In the Sources section, you can visualize the linked agent sources or you can link new sources. The Agent Sources tab will display the already linked sources, which you will be able to manage. If there are no sources linked, you can proceed to the Link Sources tab. The Link Sources section will display all the sources you have uploaded into your organization or your workspace by clicking the Link button. You can link the chosen sources by clicking the button link from each of the sources displayed. Afterwards, the linked sources will be displayed in the Agent Sources tab. If you did not add any sources to your workspace or organization, please make sure to follow the steps from the AI Agent Sources training. After linking the sources to your AI agent, there are additional settings available, such as managing the columns displayed on both the Agent Sources and Link Sources tabs. Details such as the name, type, size, parent, tags, and usage will help you manage your sources effectively. Please save the changes made. To further customize your agent, access the Settings menu. This section allows setting details related to the security, prompt, context, and appearance of your agent. The Security section will help enhance your bot's security and control. In the Rate Limit part, you can set the limit for the messages per second that can be received by your public agent in the chat. In the Message to Show When Limit is Reached part, you can customize the displayed message that should be shown when the rate limit is reached. Select the Save button every time you want to save your changes. Otherwise, they will not be automatically saved. The Prompt section is essential to guide the AI agents to output intelligent responses. In the Prompt section, you can select the preferred large language model from the drop-down list, such as the GPT-4o, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, or DeepSeek R1 model. The legend will include if the large language model supports image inputs. In the Base Prompt segment, you can edit the AI agent's prompt. A prompt is the input text or instruction given to an AI system that guides what kind of response it should generate, essentially serving as the context and direction for the AI's output. To customize a prompt for desired outputs, be specific about format, tone, and context. Include examples of what you want, specify constraints clearly, and use explicit instructions. You can also access the prompt library where you can find prompts tailored for different use cases. In the Prompt section, you can also select the temperature of your AI agent. Low temperature in AI agents produces predictable, focused outputs that follow likely patterns, while high temperature generates more diverse, creative responses by incorporating less probable word choices. Please save the changes made. The Context section empowers the user to control how the AI agent uses the context of the chat for each question. The context usage displays the amount of tokens used from the project documents. Tokens are chunks of text that the AI processes. They can be words, parts of words, punctuation marks, or other meaningful text elements. They allow the AI to break down text into manageable pieces for processing, models having specific limits that determine how much text they can handle at once. If the number of tokens it's over the model context window, the full context mode will not be available. Sferal.ai embodies three context modes for AI processing: auto, full, and RAG. The auto mode automatically selects between full context or RAG based on token count. The full mode processes the entire context as a complete unit. This uses more resources but ensures the AI has access to all information simultaneously. The RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, retrieves relevant information from a knowledge base as needed rather than processing everything at once. This is more efficient for large token counts. An embedding model converts text into numerical vectors that capture semantic meaning, allowing AI systems to understand semantic relationships and similarities between words and phrases. At the moment, OpenAI embedding is the only available option in Sferal. The context parameters optimize how a large language model accesses external knowledge, finding the right information while avoiding information overload, improving AI responses. The context count controls how many relevant passages or documents the system retrieves for each question. Higher values provide more information, but could introduce more irrelevant information. The chunk overlap controls how much text segments overlap when breaking down documents. This helps the AI maintain context and understand connections between ideas. The chunk size determines how large each text segment is when documents are divided for AI processing. Think of it as deciding whether to read paragraphs, pages, or chapters. The similarity score threshold controls how closely a piece of information must match your question. Higher numbers mean only very relevant information is included. Save the changes made. Access the appearance settings. Sferal.ai offers the option to activate the source's references to be displayed in the AI agent's chat. Click on the specified location to activate the source's reference. In Sferal.ai, you have the option to choose the size of the displayed text in order to assure optimal readability. The agent settings offer the option to choose if the chat window appears automatically upon accessing the platform. In the next element, you can access and change the agent's greeting message. The initial message timing control section allows you to specify the number of seconds after which the chat will populate the initial messages. You can also access the chat name settings and modify it. The agent description can also be changed to best fit the purpose of the AI agent. In the description link section, you can enter a YouTube link that explains what your agent does. This step will be useful if you choose to make your agent public. In the next section, you can also set a custom placeholder text. This will help guide your users with instructions for their queries. Select a unique color for your AI agent-generated messages. You can select from the predefined palette or search for your branding colors. You can customize both AI-generated messages as well as the user ones. Next, you can select the size preference for the initial message pop-ups. Always make sure to save the changes made by clicking on the Save button. After making your changes, please make sure to open a new chat and test if the modifications have been applied. Navigate to the Deployment Integration section, where you will be able to deploy your AI agent. By sharing the link, you can send the access to your AI agent to anyone. After you make the agent public, everyone will be able to access it. Copy the agent's link and share it, or paste it into your preferred browser. The link will automatically open the agent chat, and anyone with the link can proceed to submit their queries. You can also integrate your AI agent into your website. For this action, please click on the website button. Copy the iframe into your HTML to add the chat agent anywhere on your website. From the agents menu on the left, you can access the permission management settings. In this category, you can set who will be able to manage the selected agent. You can add the permissions by clicking the Add Permission button. In the next step, you will be able to search through users within your organization and assign them different permission levels. Please make sure before this step to add members in your organization. This step will be described in the organization management training. Another important section within your agent settings is the API keys functionality. In the API keys section, you can set up keys that will allow you to import and link sources to your agent via API. To proceed with this step, click the Add Agent Key button. Input the name of your designated key. Proceed to create a new key by clicking the Create Key button. Now that your API key is created, select the Visualization button and choose the Copy button. Access the feature to add an agent key. In the same section, you can manage your API keys by searching, creating, or deleting your agent keys. Navigate to the API documentation section to check out Sferal.ai's guide on agent API integrations. In Sferal.ai's API documentation, you can navigate through different sections that guide you to begin using our APIs and maximize your productivity quickly. This guide walks you through customizing AI agents, adjusting appearance, managing sources, and setting up agents in Sferal. Please join our upcoming training sessions to explore Sferal's functionalities in depth.